Hello everyone and welcome to this video in this series of Flowbytes Dalinga and show you how to register in the system. In the previous video we have seen the website of Flowbytes and how you can get used to Dalinga from here, just to learn a little bit about Dalinga, what is Dalinga, non-parametric functions, string manipulation functions, numeric functions, conditional functions, and tips and tricks. Now we go here to get started, which will lead us to the IDE. The first thing, we have seen also that you can get help of Dalinga without logging and get used to it. Now we will log in. First of all, we have to create an account. If you don't have one, we go to new user, just the full name. The email, and then the password. And then you press sign up. It will tell you register successfully, no actions needed. You can just log in immediately. Sorry for the typo. And press sign in. When you press sign in, it will show you your name here. You can open this tree. It will show you the relational databases, which we don't have any database yet. Also, the NoSQL databases is coming soon. So you will be like creating a NoSQL database and then create the collections inside the database. So we will go here to relational databases and then press add. So adding a database, for example, taxi app. So you'll see that we have the taxi app database. You can press here to change the name anytime. Just taxi, and it's changed. You can delete the database, and you can also add a table in the database from here. You'll add a table called drivers, for example. And there you go, we have a table called drivers. When we press edit, it will show us the table with just example fields. The ID is an ID Dalinga function. The gender is random from male and female. The full name is concatenation. If the gender is equal male, then take male name. Otherwise, take female name, and then space. And then the last name is just a male name. Works at, company, email, concat, replace, the full name will be lowercase, and then it will be replaced any space with null, at, domain, works at. So we'll bring the company and bring the domain from it. And then the photo, switch the gender. If it is male, photo men. If it is female, photo women. You have to provide default, which is none. The default is none because the gender is only male or female, so there is no other option here. Start job date, notes, concat, full name, started working at, works at, the field works at, since start job, which is the date here. So don't worry about being ambiguous now, because we will go through this one by one and explain how it works. If I press this button, it will show me JSON format from this table. If I press here, you will see the JSON data exactly as we expected it. So thank you very much for this video. It's just about registration, and then we'll go in the next videos about deeply how you can use Dalinga functions to generate the data. Thank you.